All right, let me show you this lamp. So here's the light, and you plug it in right here. There's a USB port. You can put your pens, pencils, anything in here. You have the power on button, the mode button. You could also charge your phone here. So you could leave it flat or you could stand it up. There's little things to hold your phone in place, so make sure you put it up. And on the back here, you prop it open, so just make sure it's under there so it doesn't fall back. And it also comes with this charger. So let's go ahead and plug it in, show you how it works. All right, so I plugged in the lamp. So it's very bright, as you can see, but it has 3 settings. So you tap here, it switches it. Tap again, switches it. So it has 3 different light modes. And if you want it brighter or lighter, you just hold here and it gets dim slowly. So you let it go on whatever setting you want, and it keeps that same setting on each mode. So make it brighter, turn it off. If you tap it, then it switches the mode. You hold it, it gets either brighter, hold it again, and then it gets dimmer. So pretty awesome light, very bright. And the cell phone charger, you just put it on there. You can see it's charging. So put your pens in here, rulers. There's also a USB charger. Okay, so here's a USB. Let's plug this in. All right. So this switch gives a USB power, so it turns it on and off. So the fan's on right now. Turn it off, there's no power. So same thing if you want to put a USB, unplug it, plug it back in. Let's plug in the cell phone. Turn it on. There you go. Perfect. Hello everyone, it's your favorite veteran. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, hit that like button, and have a blessed day. Thanks again.